Hey, thanks for tuning in to my video, and I'm going to show you how to make a homemade gravy from scratch. It's easier than you think once you get the strategy down. And the easiest method is there's a 1:1:1 ratio, but that's not equal parts. That's 1 tablespoon of fat, 1 tablespoon of flour to 1 cup of either broth or milk, depending on what type of gravy you're making. So in this instance, I'm making a beef gravy for a roast I just made. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of butter as the fat. Now if you're making a sausage gravy or something, you use the grease left over from cooking your sausage, and you would make it with milk. But anyway, we'll just go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is have your pan hot. Throw in your fat and your flour and get that mixed up until it gets nice and thick. Mix it up, mix it in. You want to cook that flour off. It can carry E. coli if it's raw. And just let that cook up for a short period of time. You want a good thick consistency, kind of like pancake batter in a way. Maybe a little bit thinner. You see there. Then once you're ready to add your broth, you want to add it in slowly, and it's going to get real thick. But don't worry about that. That's normal. You'll think, oh no, I screwed it up. But you didn't, it's fine. Just keep watching. Just keep adding a little bit at a time and keep moving it around. Just be patient with it, and it'll come together good, and you'll be happy with a nice flavorful gravy. So just keep on adding. And the reason why you want to add a little bit at a time, because if you pour it all in there all at once, the little flour mixture you made will get clumpy and it'll ruin the gravy. So just keep adding. You can start adding a little bit quicker once it gets towards the end. You see it's starting to come together real nice. So just going to pour the rest in there. Keep her stirring up. Then let this cook down until it's to the consistency that you want. And that's it. A simple homemade gravy. Now since I'm making a beef gravy, I'm going to go ahead and throw in a little bit of Lea and Perrins in there as well for some additional flavor. Not too much, maybe a teaspoon. And then once it's reached its thickness that you want, just add a little salt and pepper. Just season it to the taste you prefer, and that's basically it. So once that's reduced, you'll have your gravy and it'll be done. A nice flavorful addition you can pour over your meat that you cooked. Alright, our gravy has reached a good consistency. One thing to remember is it will thicken up a little bit as it cools, but something I look for is for it to stick to the back of that spoon. See that? That's a good consistency there, I think. But, it's good. But that's basically it. So that's how you make your own gravy. Hopefully this was informative to some of you all. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to my new channel. Alright, thanks guys.